friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this solely to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular and working more hard for you. So let us start the day to analyze the movements of natural gas futures in different time frames. Friends, here you can see a monthly chart of natural gas futures. Here you can see that how the natural gas futures have found a strong upward move today. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures started the day at the levels of $2.938 and tested an high at the levels of $3.149 and a low at $2.882 and currently trading at the levels of $3.148. So friends, here I find that this seems to be evident enough for continuation of an uptrend during this month. So friends, here I find that the formation of this bullish crossover in a monthly time frame looks evident enough for continuation of an uptrend during this month, where the immediate resistance for natural gas futures will be at the lower end of Ichimoku cloud, which is currently at the levels of $3.180, which is the immediate resistance for natural gas futures, and the immediate support for natural gas futures will remain at the levels of $2.988, whereas I find that the level of $3, which used to be a psychological resistance for natural gas futures from a long time, has turned into a psychological support now, because here I find that the natural gas futures could try to form a new base above the level of $3, because here I find that a breakout in natural gas futures could test the next resistance at the levels of $3.742 at the upper end of Ichimoku cloud, where I find that a system move above the upper end of Ichimoku cloud could continue this uptrend in natural gas futures. So here I find that the natural gas futures could test a high at the levels of $4.150, where the natural gas futures could find a stiff resistance. But here I'm sure that the natural gas futures were ready to form a new peak before the November 2021. The natural gas futures could test the levels of $4.929. Why I'm saying so? So here I would like to zoom this portion for you. So here you can see that how the formation of a bullish crossover in a monthly time frame confirms the continuity of this bullish trend in natural gas futures, where the natural gas futures could test new highs during the upcoming weeks, where I find the natural gas futures were ready to test the levels of $4.969 before the advent of November 2021. So friends, here I find that the immediate resistance for natural gas futures will be at the levels of $3.180, where the lower end of Ichimoku cloud could provide some resistance. But here I find that if the natural gas futures sustain above the lower end of Ichimoku cloud, we will see the natural gas futures could break the next resistance at the upper end of Ichimoku cloud, which is currently at the levels of $3.7. So friends, here I find that a system move of natural gas futures during the upcoming month will continue this rally in natural gas futures during the upcoming months. So friends, now let me zoom out this. So friends, now I would like to show you this move in a weekly time frame. So here in a weekly time frame, so friends, here you can see that in a weekly time frame, here you can see that when the natural gas futures tested a high at the levels of $4.9 during the month of November 2018, since then we have seen a downtrend in natural gas futures, where the natural gas futures have finally found a base here at the levels of $1.5, and from here you can see that since June 2020 we have seen the natural gas futures to remain under a bullish trend, where the natural gas bulls have found their next base at the levels of $2.442, which seems to be a stronger base from where the natural gas futures started to continue this uptrend once again since the month of March 2021. Here you can see that how the natural gas futures have been constantly maintaining an uptrend, where it could face an immediate resistance at the levels of $3.238 during this week, where I find if the natural gas futures find a weekly closing above the levels of $3.369, we'll see a breakout from here in natural gas futures, which could continue during the upcoming week. Here I find that the natural gas bulls could tried to form a new base above the levels of $3.389, where the natural futures could take a sharp upward move up to the levels of $4.150, what they could test during the month of August 2021. So friends, here I find that the current uptrend in natural gas futures look evident enough for a breakout move in natural gas futures to test new highs. So friends, here I find that the natural gas futures could even test the levels of $4.966 once again during the month of November 2021. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.